Hey guys, and welcome to this module where we'll be talking about order fulfillment, which is the basic process that you guys do after you start receiving orders. So the first thing, in this first video, we're going to be talking about Aliexpress and how to set up your account and set up your payment method. So it'll be a really quick video. All you have to do is come here to aliexpress.com, okay? You go here to join. And guys, I actually haven't done this. Let's go ahead and start putting in our info. I actually haven't done this in about a year because we've been using the same accounts for about a year. I'm gonna go ahead and blur out my email here as well. Put in my name here, password again. You guys will see how easy this is. You put in this little code, 8QHE, agree to the terms, create your account. You can make it with Facebook as well. I guess I've never done it with Facebook, and that's it. We're in. We've made an AliExpress account. Okay, and now to set up your payment method, let's see if I remember how to do this. So first of all, why does it say sign in? I just created an account. Okay, we'll blur that out. Let's see. Let's see if I did this right. Sign in. Perfect. So unusual activity. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify that. I wouldn't capitalize it. HJBX submit. Yes, verified. Enter what? Enter phone number. Okay. So let's go ahead and enter. I guess I had an account with this one already. Let's see. Submit. Okay, so I have to get my cell phone now. Let's go ahead and get my cell phone here. They sent me a code, and it is 884006. Guys, I don't know if you guys will go through this trouble when opening up your account. I don't think so. But maybe it changed. Okay, so let's go ahead and sign out and sign in again. Perfect. Okay, now we're on. Okay, so now that we're on, the next thing that you guys have to do is set up your payment method. So we will go here to, let's go on My AliExpress. It was in here. So you go here, you hover over your name, and you're just going to go on My Alipay. Wow, this is so appropriate for a course. Whatever. So you go here to My Alipay. Okay, and then here you're basically just going to follow the steps. You click on go to My Alipay, you're going to sign in again, and you're basically going to go through that whole process, which I'm not gonna go through because this is just a testing account. But yeah, you guys will enter in your credit card info and all that good stuff. Guys, um, warning, word of warning. When you first set up your Alipay, I don't know why it keeps doing this. When you first set up your Alipay, what's gonna happen is at first it'll ask you for some documents, so like your driver's license ID, and I don't know if they ask you for a bill or not. I think they do, but for sure they ask you for your driver's ID. So you'll have to send them all that info along with your card that you're going to be using. And what's going to happen is for your first like 50 orders, when you get to like 50, 60 orders, they're going to start closing your orders, okay? So the reason that they close your orders is because they need to verify, and again, I do not know why they do this, but they need to re-verify your card that you're using. So make sure that when you do the re-verification that you only use that payment method, because if you guys, so let's say that you start using your Wells Fargo debit card, right, and you re-verify it and everything's going well. If you pay, let's say you get 100 orders and you pay for the 100 orders with a different card, they're going to close all those orders. And guys, when they close your orders, it's the most annoying thing in the world because you basically have to manually replace all those orders because now you can't fulfill them with Oberlo, which that's actually coming up in the next video of how to fulfill your orders with Oberlo. But yeah, so when you put in your card, only use that one card for buying stuff from AliExpress because they could be a huge pain when it comes to paying. And I mean, it's all for security purposes, but it's very annoying, guys. So I mean, basically just use one card, stick to that one card, and that's about it. That's about it for this video, guys. It was a really quick video. This is a really easy setup, and in the next video we will be going into Oberto. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Bye.